Hello all, welcome to ASGK community. Learn easy for all types of competitive exams. Before going to start, please like, share and subscribe our video. Today we will learn about historical background of Indian polity. Let's begin our today's episode. Our first question is the British came to India in 1600 as traders in the name of. The answer is East India Company. Trading in India under a charter granted by whom? The answer is Queen Elizabeth I. The third question is the word Diwani, which means rights over revenue and civil justice, came in which year? In the year of 1765. The fourth question is the term Diwani related to which states of our country? The term Diwani relates to three states of our country named as Orissa, Bengal and Bihar. The fifth question is Indian Mutiny, also called as Sipai Mutiny, started in the year and which place? The answer is started in 1857 and that place is Meerut. Sixth question is Indian Mutiny is also called as First War of Independence. The seventh question is British Crown Raj happened during which year? Answer is 1858 to 1947. The British Raj refers to the period of British rule on the Indian subcontinents between 1858 to 1947. The next one, who gave first time idea of Indian Constitution? The answer is given by M.N. Roy in the year of 1934. Ninth question, when was the Constituent Assembly first meet was happened? The answer is it was happened in New Delhi 9 December 1946. The 10th question is when was the Constitution came into force? Answer is 26 January 1950. 11th question, during which year the company rule in India started and ended? Started in 1773 and ended in 1858. Which act was great constitutional important? Answer is Regulating Act of 1773. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer is Lord Warren Hastings. Supreme Court at Calcutta started in which year? Answer is 1774. When was the Pitt's India Act was passed? Answer is 1784. 16th question is Amending Act of 1781 is also called as Act of Settlement. 17th question, which act given the supreme control over company affairs and its administration in India and double gout? Answer is Pitt's India Act. Which act ended the monopoly of the East India Company in India? Answer is Charter Act of 1813. 19th question is which act was the final step towards the centralization in British India? Charter Act of 1833. The final question is who was the first Governor General of India? Answer is Lord William Bentinck. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.